this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a QR code for Facebook page. So first of all, I'm going on my Facebook page, then click on this three icon, then go to here, your page link, then just go here and okay, now go to google.com, then charge QR code generator. Here there are lots of option, you can choose any one. So actually choose number 2 option because this is a free, but not free. So just paste your Facebook page URL, then click on download button. So if you want to download dynamic QR code here from here, so you need to just pay here, but I want to download for free. Then click on this download button, then again click on this download button. Wow, it's already download on my mobile phone. It's 100% free method. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again, take care, goodbye.